I assure you complete practice trainings from scratch, right from the basic on this very useful and very interactive SQL DBA training program with Azure Microsoft Cloud. What is DBA? What we do, that routine DBA activities. Assume a car. Car has different spare parts, right? They get designed, planned, designed, then assembled. Once the car goes on road, then comes service and maintenance. Same way, database would be designed by developers. We DBAs will be responsible for management, maintenance, repairs, troubleshooting activities. It's a DBA job role. So as a DBA, we are responsible for the day-to-day operations, maintenance, security, performance, troubleshooting, repairs, updates, upgrades, migration, so on. Whereas developers will be responsible for the design activity. Now, to make it more clear, to make it more easier, let's understand, let's go one step ahead and understand what we do as a DBA. As a database administrator, our requirement, we need to involve in mostly troubleshooting activity, mostly in troubleshooting, installation troubleshooting, database maintenance troubleshooting, repairs, health checks, backups, schedules, always on activities, and high availability, disaster recovery, optimization, security, etc. Our course is for total planned for about 9 weeks. First initial 6 weeks will be taking the core DBA non-cloud concepts. Then 3 more weeks Azure DBA concepts, Azure Microsoft Cloud. I repeat, first 6 weeks non-cloud, left box. Then comes Azure DBA, the topping, that is the next 3 weeks. Total 9 weeks program that involves on certification DP300. So we are going to learn various routine DBA activities, emergency DBA activities, and Azure Cloud database administration activities at full length from scratch, right from the basics, with proper keyword checklist and chapter wise course content. We also have a project work for our classes, for our resume part. No doubt, this is going to be the best learning experience for your resume and secured profile. Let's have a live demo class. Let's meet once. Let's have a live demo class to understand more about the course and the curriculum. Join us for the live demo class and we'll take it from there based on your comfort, and we'll interact for your resume, job work, etc. See you soon in our live classes. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Thank you again.